What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing an ASMR unboxing of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's get started. In here, we're just going to have our little SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and the power cable. But that's all we're going to get in this little package. This is the device. Obviously, it looks so premium and so good. I love that it's frosted, like everywhere, like it has a matte rail, it has matte backing, everything looks so premium and I love it. So this is the unboxing of the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching, and if you want to check out my review, my unboxing first impressions, those videos will be out at least by the time this one is, so definitely go check those out. And thank you so much for watching, and a big thanks to Parker Burton for sending this phone to me. And yeah, I'll catch you in one of my next videos, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.